Am I the only one who gets chills watching fighter jets in action? Let's break down the power behind these incredible machines. Fighter jets are the apex predators of the sky. These sleek machines like the F-22 Raptor and the Su-57 can reach speeds over 1,500 miles per hour. With cutting-edge stealth technology, they can evade radar detection and strike with pinpoint accuracy. The F-35 Lightning II, known for its versatility, can dominate both air and ground targets. Meanwhile, the Eurofighter Typhoon excels in agility and speed, making it a formidable opponent in dogfights. But it's not just about power and speed. These jets are equipped with advanced avionics and weapon systems, ensuring they're ready for any mission. From reconnaissance to air superiority, there's nothing they can't handle. Next time you hear that roar overhead, remember, you're witnessing the pinnacle of aerospace engineering. Now who's ready for takeoff?